If Chime stopped working right after an Android update, the problem is usually caused by outdated app files, corrupted cache, permission changes, or temporary compatibility issues between the new Android version and the app. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to get Chime working again on your Android phone. Start by completely closing the Chime app and opening it again. An operating system update can leave apps running with old background processes, and restarting the app often fixes minor glitches immediately. Next, open the Google Play Store and check for a Chime update. App developers commonly release compatibility updates after Android system updates to fix crashes, login problems, and performance issues. If no update is available, restart your phone. A full reboot reloads Android system services and can resolve problems that appear after installing a software update. Now, clear the Chime app cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Chime, tap Storage and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account information, and often fixes freezing or loading problems. If the issue continues, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and try using the app again. A network issue can sometimes appear to be an app problem. You should also review the app's permissions. Open Settings. Find Chime under Apps, and confirm that any required permissions are enabled. Some Android updates reset or change permission settings. If Chime crashes every time you open it, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged files that clearing the cache cannot fix. Also, make sure your phone has enough available storage. Low storage space can prevent apps from creating temporary files and may lead to slow performance or unexpected crashes. If multiple Chime features stop working at the same time, the issue may not be on your phone. A temporary service interruption can affect account access, transfers, or other features until the service is restored. If you've completed every step and the app still isn't working, contact Chime support. They can verify whether your account is affected by a known issue, check for security restrictions, and provide troubleshooting specific to your account. To recap, restart the app and your phone, update Chime, clear the app cache, verify your internet connection and permissions, reinstall the app if necessary, and contact Chime support if the problem continues. Your next step is to clear the Chime app cache and check for the latest version in the Google Play Store. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Chime troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.